Welcome to episode 2 of how to grow your business with Instagram organically. In this episode, I will be discussing first 10 tips which has mentioned in the episode 1. Let's have a quick recap of episode 1. In episode 1, I have listed on 40 tips to increase your business with Instagram organically that are genuine and relevant to your brand. Now let's start with episode 2. Tip number 1, what a compelling bio. The first thing anyone sees when they visit your profile is your bio, and therefore it is a crucial part of making the first impression on your audience. You need to write a compelling Instagram bio to encourage people to follow you. Apart from the basics like adding your contact details and website link, you should also tell your brand story in an engaging way. Simply saying what kind of business you have won't make you stand out. You need to give people a reason to connect with your brand and follow you. Tip number 2, unique Instagram brand personality. Your Instagram feed is the next thing that a person who visits your profile will see after your bio. And the impression that a user gets by looking at your feed is important in determining whether they like your brand or not. It is also important to maintain consistency in color, type of post, tone of voice and extra, as these are what determine your brand's personality. And it should be such that if anyone sees your post, they should immediately associate it with your brand. Tip number 3, use relevant hashtag. Using a hashtag is a tried and tested way to reach more people and gain more Instagram followers. You need to research which hashtags are trending in your niche and which are relevant for your brand and content. Then use a mix of these hashtags for all your Instagram content to reach people who follow those hashtags. Also remember to mix it up a bit and use popular industry level hashtag as well as a niche one for which you can actually stand out. Instagram allows you to add up to 30 hashtags for each post, and you should utilize this feature to your advantage. Tip number 4, create and promote your own branded hashtag. Apart from using popular hashtag, you can also create and promote your own branded hashtag. This could be specific to your brand or even a particular campaign. Brand specific hashtags are a good way to improve your Instagram presence and promote your campaign. By creating a campaign specific hashtag, you can also encourage people to use it in their Instagram content. This gets you free user-generated content as well as publicity, which can help you reach more people and get more followers. Tip number 5, optimize your caption. The caption of your Instagram post give you a chance to engage your current audience and even encourage them to refer you to their friends. So why not use that opportunity to your advantage? There's a lot that you can do with your Instagram caption, like tag people, ask question, start conversation, and extra. The more you encourage your audience to comment, the more likely it is that they will invite their friends to join the discussion. You can also provide discounts or offers and ask your followers to tag their friends and promote that offer. Also remember to tell the story behind the picture or video that you are sharing, as that will get more engagement. Tip number 6, post several times a day. While you can build a strong following with one post each day, you shall grow your followers much faster if you add new posts to Instagram multiple times a day. The question arises, how many posts a day? It would be pretty safe to say that how often you post on Instagram depends on what type of content you post. Tip number 7, be more consistent in post. Posting on a regular basis increases your exposure and the likelihood that as many people as possible will see your content, and also keep your brand fresh in the minds of your followers. If you are adding a picture or a video to your profile only once a month, it's not an effective strategy. I would not even call that an active profile. At the same time, don't flood your followers' timeline and be perceived as annoying. You need to find a middle ground here, which depends on what type of content you are posting. Tip number 8, schedule your post. It can be difficult to remember to post on social media. Scheduling your Instagram post each week can save you time. By scheduling posts once a week, you ensure that your audience constantly sees new posts to keep your brand at the top of mind. Plus, it also allows you to keep a consistent schedule. Tip number 9, figure out the best time to post. People interact with Instagram throughout the day. The best time to post depends on when your audience is most active on Instagram. Some Instagram content types are more affected by posting time than others. For example, stories will bring in more followers during peak hours, whereas post can gain traction over a few days. Think about how these times impact your ability to engage with your audience. If you are running a promotion or encouraging comments, you need to be there to reply to any question. Use Instagram Insights to figure out which times are best for your audience. Tip number 10, use Instagram Carousel. Instagram Carousel posts allow you to upload up to 10 images in one post. If you have a lot of related pictures you want to post without adding them into a separate post, this is the feature you can use. Thanks for watching episode 2. You can get more details of tip number 11 till tip number 20 in the episode 3 of how to grow your business with Instagram organically.